it is chocolate time. It smells so good. Put it on the Among Us. Pop it, pop it, pop it.
Aha! Awesome!
I'm gonna go with red. Chocolate sauce time! Put it back on the tray right here before it goes in the fridge. Now, the final one, Kesha. What is this? I bet you don't know. I bet you don't know. It's an ice cream. It's an ice cream. Oh, all right. You know everything. Yes, it is an ice cream. Pop, pop, pop. It smells so good, Kesha.
I know.
This time we'll do yellow again. And, let's do blue. There we go.
Yippee! Wow, look at all that chocolate and M&M's. Yellow, blue, hey, just like me, just like me.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. In my tummy.
Aha!
Now I'm gonna wait 2 hours. Poppets are ready. Let's get these chocolate poppets out.
Run!
Yippee!
Chocolate poppet hunt. Look at it. It's so cool. But it didn't stop at half. Now, let's do the next one. Chocolate Among Us poppet. Let's get this one out. Chocolate Among Us poppet. Look how cool it is. Look at the back of it. Time to get the ice cream out. Chocolate ice cream poppet. Let's get it out. Wow, look at this chocolate poppet ice cream. Look how good it is. Look how well it's come out. Wow, look at it. It's so
Awesome!
yummy. Now, what's the final thing left to do? Take a bite. So yummy. You have to try this. Now, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Bye.
Yippee!